I'm so excited because today I'm going to show you my favorite snorkeling spot and beach out of all the tours that we offer here in Phuket. Hi guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Mr. J.
Hello, can I say I'm not so excited about this video?
Because you've never been to this location. I know, you're going to complain, you're going to complain.
No, but how many years have I been with you? 3, 4-ish?
Well, I feel like it's longer than that.
Yeah, it feels like a lifetime.
Because you're my special friend.
Anyway,
I bet I knew you before you had a grey beard.
Would you get... What is the thing about the grey
It's
beard?
not grey.
I'm 48 years old.
No, you're not. Really?
Yes, really.
Holy.
So have some respect.
In 2 years, we're going to have an awesome 50th for you. Actually, it's my 40th this year. That's scary.
Yeah, so have some respect.
Don't you stop counting at 40? Anyway, we're going to be talking about Koh Haa and Koh Rok. Koh Haa and Koh Rok are two amazing island destinations, but you do need to be aware they are quite far. We're talking at least 1 hour and 30 minutes to Koh Haa from Phuket. And if it's rough sea conditions, it's a no-go. So we're looking to generally go during what we call our high or peak season here. So normally on November through to maybe the end of May, those would be the times that this is a good tour for you. And in my opinion, Koh Haa has the best marine life or diversity of marine life. Now, we're not talking about turtles. Turtles is Similan, but we're talking about the types of fish, the variety of fish, the size of the fish, the schools of fish. I was actually talking to a dive master the other day who was at Koh Haa, and he said that the schools of fish were swimming around him as he was diving up through it. And I'm like, that sounds really cool. I would love to see that on video.
Oh, I'd love to have seen that as well. I've never been there.
And then Koh Rok itself, the beach itself is stunning.
Is it?
Yes. But also the coral.
Is the coral nice?
The coral is colourful.
Oh,
you
right.
don't get that at PP. One of the things a lot of people say to us at PP is that the colour in the coral is not there. And certainly in a lot of locations at PP it's not.
Well, that has a lot to do with global warming,
Yes.
Sean.
I would say at PP, Lemtong Bay does have some colourful corals still.
Yes.
But
and can I say, Alex and I, hi guide Alex, have dived down in Wonton Bay, your favourite bay with a tree, and we've actually swum through schools of things and jellyfish and everything. So we've enjoyed that. We don't need to go to Koh Haa and Koh Rok.
So Koh Rok also, as I said, it had very colourful coral, but very, very interesting formations of coral.
What type of coral is it, Sean?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I can't go through it, but the formations are great. So normally this tour is an hour and a half out. So you're going to leave here from Phuket Boat Lagoon. But before that happens, let's start like we normally do.
Okay.
You're going to get picked up from your hotel by one of our vans, transferred here where you're going to meet the lovely...
Not going to be me because I've never been there, so I have no idea where we're going or what we're going to do. However, I can tell you, please help yourself to some water, some fresh fruit. Don't have the coffee because it's not very nice.
Once you've met your guide, they've checked you in, they've given you an idea about what the tour is, you're going to go down to the boat. On the boat, you're going to have what?
You're going to have some soft drinks, you're going to have some water, and if you're very lucky, you get some lovely fresh fruit.
Yes.
And life jackets, by the way.
And mask and snorkel.
Yeah, and a toilet.
And if you want, Jay will hide on the boat under a...
We can't talk about that.
We can't talk about that. Yeah, I forgot. Shh. Anyway, so you're going to come down to Boat Lagoon. We're going to head on out. We're going to head on out past PP down to Koh Haa. Koh Haa is about here on the map.
So how long would that take?
About an hour and a half in a direct transfer straight to Koh Haa. There is not a lot to see or do on the way. Sometimes... If our guests have not seen PP, we may stop past PP Lay and let you do a snorkel or a swim here on the way. But I do not recommend it. I recommend you do this as a standalone tour straight out to Koh Haa. Because Koh Haa meaning 5 islands, okay? So it's a group of 5 islands. There is a beautiful beach, but you can't back up the boat to the beach. You have to park the boat off the beach and you can swim into the beach.
I've not done it, so I don't know.
There's 2 or 3 great snorkeling locations. My recommendation would go straight to Koh Haa, do 2 or 3 snorkels at Koh Haa, head on to Koh Rok, jump onto the beach of Koh Rok Noi, which is down here somewhere, probably not even on the camera. Jump onto the beach of Koh Rok Noi, do a picnic lunch, because at Koh Rok there is no lunch option.
So would they have to order their lunch first?
Yes, so you're going to either order from our picnic menu, which is going to get up there very soon.
Is it?
Yes.
Ooh.
Or you can bring it from the hotel.
There's no beef lasagna on there.
Oh.
Would that be good?
How long have you been promising me a beef lasagna?
I've been about 2 months now. You have been away for a little while.
Yeah.
I'm making Cornish pasty today, though.
Oh, wow. That sounds pretty good, actually.
Okay.
So once, you either bring lunch from your hotel.
Sorry, I said lasagna and it's just because mine's gone.
Mine's gone. You can bring your lunch from the hotel, or you can order it from us, jump on Koh Rok Noi, have some lunch, rest, relax, then go snorkel, Koh Rok Noi and Koh
Can I
Rok
just
Yai.
say, is this one of these tours that the guests will supply water and soft drinks and some fruit? Should they bring some snacks with them?
Certainly, I'd bring some snacks with you. And again, you can order from us. We can prepare that all for you on board. Once you've done that, go snorkel Koh Rok Noi and Koh Rok Yai. And if you're lucky, if you go November,
Yes.
at the end of the green season or the wet season, they have this beautiful waterfall. We were very lucky to see this last year when we went out there. Our first trip to Koh Rok last year had that waterfall.
I wasn't there.
No, you keep missing it. So then
Why
once
won't you send me there?
it's a very long way and a lot of
But
fuel.
you send me to Similan Islands.
Yeah, but I sent you with guests, not on your own.
Can someone please book Koh Haa and Koh Rok and I will come with you?
Request Jay.
Yeah, I will get you 10% off. Is that all right?
Yeah.
I'll get you 10%.
Got it from him.
Is it 10? Yeah. I get 10% off to book it up if you lose my name. There you go.
Anyway, once you've done Koh Rok, Koh Noi, you've seen the waterfall if it's there, you've explored both islands, you've done the snorkeling, then it's all the way back. And on the way back, normally we would stop at either the Kai Islands or
Nice.
Ramye, just so you can have a bit of beach time, maybe a beverage, maybe some relaxation. What can you do at Koh Rok Noi, Jay?
Which one?
Koh Ramye, what can you do?
Well, Sean, you can go ATV and you can go jet skiing, you can chill out at the bar, you can chill out on the beach, or you go see Brian the Goat. I wonder if he's still there, actually. It's been a long time since I've seen him.
I miss Brian.
Yeah.
You should do a specific trip just to go check on
I
Brian's
hope he's
health.
not become boat curry.
What did he say?
Goat curry, but not boat curry.
Yeah, we just,
Although goat curry on the boat would be really good.
we did just have eaten. A lot of goats get killed during that period of time.
I do
so
like goat curry. It's nice, isn't it?
You should go check on Brian, see if he's
Okay, I'll go check on Brian. next
So
week.
that's our Koh Rok and Koh Haa tour, and again, in my personal opinion, better than Similan, better than PP, better than Raya for snorkeling, but not for everybody, because
What about young kids?
it's a long way, right? Look, we have had young kids on this tour before, but you need to commit to the concept that you've got at least 90 minutes of straight out there travel, and on the way back, because remember, Koh Rok is past Koh Haa, so
Oh.
on the way back, it's 2 hours on the way back.
2 hours on the way
So-
back.
But again, Similan's not much different. Similan is at least 2 hours there and back, and a lot of people do that and they rave about it. I would say Koh Rok and Koh Haa is Phuket's hidden kind of snorkeling paradise.
Is it as busy as Similan? Because I've been to Similan, and the thing I find, can I be honest?
Yes.
The thing I don't like about the Similan Islands is because it's so restricted, you have to follow where everyone
It's
else
hard
goes.
to hide.
Yeah,
Yes.
and you might get 10, 20 minutes away from big groups that turn
And the
up.
group turns up.
And then the group turns up. But we can manage that because we're a private boat. Is it the same at
No,
Koh
so
Haa?
Koh Rok and Koh Haa is very not well known. So most people
Well, it will be now to the 300 people that watch this.
I was going to say, most people watching this video probably would never have heard of these islands. Okay, and that's one of the advantages of why they are so beautiful. You don't have a lot of boats. You don't have a lot of damage to the coral from over-tourism. And certainly being so far away from Phuket, it turns a lot of people away. And that's one of the big positives, I think, for this island. If you want to see something beautiful, something that is untouched, you've got to be willing to commit to the distance of travel to get there. And we went there a lot during the pandemic, and I don't know if we're allowed to use that word on YouTube.
I didn't.
Because a lot of our local guests, they fell in love with the snorkeling there. And I would say it's a beautiful spot. There are a few hints and tips to this. You can do a 2-day, 1-night tour. Maybe first day you go out to PP, spend the night at PP. Second day you go Koh Haa, Koh Rok, and then come back. So if this is something that's on the bucket list, but the travel distance is what's scaring you, have a chat to us. Maybe we'll put together a 2-day, 1-night tour for you. We will get Jay out to Koh Rok and Koh Haa. Look, the weather looks good enough for Jay to go, so we'll find a boat in the next few days and we'll get him on out there.
Don't do stuff like that because then Carl will be going, Sean said you need to go out and do this. I can put this on the video. No, I'm not going out right now. Trust us. While we're filming this, it's not the right season to be heading down there.
It's
That's
a
for sure.
perfect season for Jay to go.
No.
That's it, guys. Over to Jay. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. And like I said, if you are interested in Koh Haa, Koh Rok, put a comment below and Sean will reply. Apart from that, please subscribe, please like and share the video. Share the love. That's what we love. Cheers, mate.